Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Rainbowloom bracelet. I would be doing a Halloween themed video, but I don't know how to do, but some people don't know how to make these. So there's basically just rubber bands you can make bracelets. So, you want to start? We want to start with your starting color. So grab 3 out of the bag. And then, next what you want to do is see your middle finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. You want to make one that's crisscrossed. So you want to, instead of just like that, you want to cross it. Or cross it like that. So like that. Then you want to put the other two. Don't cross them. Like that. Like this. Here. Like this. So then it should kind of look like that. Hold on. It's like that. It should kind of look like that. Okay, so the bottom one's crisscross. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to grab the bottom one and pull it over the other two, both sides. So there you go. Now let's get my next color. I'm just reaching it. Okay, then you got the red. Well, doesn't need to be said. Is this red or is this orange? It's red. Very much red. Okay. So then you don't want to put, only the first one's crisscross. The other ones do not. You only put it one at a time. Only one at a time. And then you just do the same. Like so. Now, if it gets too high on your fingers, you just pull it down carefully. Make sure the bands, you don't want to, okay, you always pull the bottom band, never any other band. And if you're wondering where they get these bands, you can just get them from, like, Amazon or something like that. Not sponsored, by the way, if you're wondering. Of course I wouldn't be. Okay, so then, yeah. Now I have some more to explain to you. Okay, now once your band's about this length, you want to hold it like this. Okay, now you want to grab your hook. There's a connector piece. They either look like a horseshoe or like an S. Backwards S for you guys, I think. But they look like this or a horseshoe. Kind of like just one corner, but these ones are better, so get these ones. Now, see, pull out a little gap, and then you just hook it like that, and then just leave it there. And the length that you want your bracelet, depending on your wrist size. So if you have a really small wrist, you probably want to go to like, you probably want it to go like right here somewhere. But if you have a bigger wrist, you want to go down here, which I think most people will want to go down here because it's more comfortable. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done, and I'll tell you what to do next. Hey guys, I'm back. So now that I've made my bracelet, it's about to right here. What you want to do is, the way to check if it's good enough is like this. You like fold it up and see how it would be. Now, you see the hook that we got? You want to make a gap. Look at this. Make a gap like so. And do this. So grab one of them, the one on your ring finger you grab with the hook. Make sure it can stay stretched out with your finger. And then what you want to do? Well, actually, no, not what's stretched out. You want to grab the other one. And then, see this? See this? Then you want to put it in the hook. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay. This is the most tricky part. You can do it however you'd like, however you think would be the easiest, but that's how I do it. There you go, peoples. Now you can wear your bracelets in style. If this video did help you, make sure to smash that like button. Yeah, and see you all next time. Bye. Subscribe.